We live in a noisy and hurried world. We dread silence. We find it hard to stay put. We want to be always busy with something. Pope Francis writes in Laudato Si, many people today sense a profound imbalance, which drives them to frenetic activity and makes them feel busy, in a constant hurry, which in turn leads them to ride roughshod over everything around them. But we want to follow Jesus. Just as it says in the Gospel of St. Mark, in the morning, a great while before day, Jesus rose and went out to a solitary place, and there he prayed. Why pray? Prayer is our contact point with God, just like a light bulb getting its power source in order to light up. We could be the best bulb in the whole world, but if we do not touch the source of power, we would never give off light. We would only emit darkness. Therefore, pause in the morning and take time to pray to God before entering the day.